Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some beautiful luxury modular kitchen ideas. A kitchen is not only a place to cook, it's the heart of every home. It's where we spend time with family, makes memories and enjoy good food. So in this video, let's see how we can make a kitchen look stylish, modern and comfortable. A modular kitchen means a kitchen made with different ready parts like cabinets, drawers and shelves that fit together perfectly. Each part can be changed or moved easily, and that makes cleaning and designing very simple. Modular kitchens are popular because they save space and look neat and modern. You can choose your own design, layout and color just the way you like. It's a perfect mix of beauty and comfort. The color of your kitchen makes a big difference. This year soft colors like white, grey and light wood tones are trending. Some people also love matte black or glossy finish for a modern look. Wood and marble design make the kitchen look rich and classy. If you add warm lights under the cabinets, your kitchen will shine like a dream. A smart kitchen is always easy to use. Use drawers that slide softly, pull out baskets for vegetable and corner shelves that turn easily. Tall cabinets can hold all your groceries and makes the kitchen look clean. When everything has its own place, cooking becomes faster and more fun. Even a small kitchen can look big if it's well planned and organized. The countertop is where we do most of the work, so it should be strong and stylish. You can choose granite, quartz or marble. These are easy to clean and last long. A matching backsplash behind the stove or sink adds extra beauty. Try glass tiles or shiny steel designs. Modular kitchen also include built-in ovens, smooth cooktops and silent chimneys that make the space look neat and high-end. Good lighting can change the whole look of your kitchen. Add soft LED lights under the cabinets, pendant light above the island or warm ceiling lights for a cozy feel. You can also decorate with small indoor plants, stylish jar or wooden stool to give your kitchen a welcoming look. A clean and bright kitchen always feels fresh and inspiring. Before making your modular kitchen, plan your layout well. Decide where you want your stove, sink and fridge. Keep enough space to move easily while cooking. Choose simple handle or handleless cabinets for a modern style. A U-shape or L-shape design work great for both small and big kitchens. So friends, that was all about luxury modular kitchen. I hope these ideas help you understand how to make your kitchen look modern and beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor ideas. So guys, luxury modular kitchen are all about small and big, both are. Even a small kitchen can feel big with proper planning. Using versatile space, minimal hardware and hardless cabinets gives a seamless modern look. A well-designed modular kitchen ensures every inch is functional and every tool is within reach. When it comes to luxury, color and finish play a huge role. Matte black, soft pink and white marble tones are among the top choices this year. Today, luxury kitchen focus not just on looks but also on comfort and smartness. Every corner is designed for easy access, from tall pantry units to soft close drawers that glide smoothly. This is where functionally truly meets elegance. A modular kitchen is a combination of beautifully crafted cabinets, drawers, and units that come together like a perfect puzzle. Each piece is designed to maximize space and make your kitchen look organized and beautiful areas. We'll explore that elegant kitchen ideas in this video: premium finishes, smart storage, and the latest modular kitchen trend that can transform your everyday cooking into a stylish experience. So sit back, relax, and get inspired by the most stunning kitchen designs of 2025. Modular kitchen is the heart of every home. So before select any modular kitchen and any kitchen designs idea, watch a video related to modular kitchen that explain it to you. It is how you choose stylish and beautiful modular kitchen. So guys, if you like my video, then don't forget to like my video, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.